Bye.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye, 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 bye.
Show your outfit, Gabby.
Giving Jamaica. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
Hello.
So what do you have for your outfit? You
Hat,
have-
shirt, and pants.
and sunscreen. Bye. She's not coming.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kuya, dun say bye to me.
Hot, bro. I didn't put sunscreen yet.
Oh, okay.
You go in the middle.
Hey, your keys.
It's over there.
Is it that?
Yeah.
Where's my tablet?
Where is it?
In the house.
Say hi.
Hello, everyone.
Mama, say hi.
Teka, hindi pa ako nag-lipstick. Alam mo naman maganda ako pag may lipstick. What? Mami.
8 hours and 16 minutes.
Wala.
Gabby,
Yeah.
go right. Read that one. Follow it. Follow the arrow. What does it say? What does it say?
Pet.
Pet area.
Pet area.
So that's where you should go.
Oh, pet.
Gabby, how do you feel about the 7-hour trip? Feel sick?
Yeah.
Feel sick?
Yeah.
Saan tayo? 363. Here. Gabby, 363. 363.
Yan, okay. O, the other one. O, yan. O, yung ano mo, closer dito sa may ano, sa wood.
Atiyo, let's go.
Closer, closer. Ito. Matthew, ito. Hawa ka dito. O. Yan. Then the other one too. Here.
Asan ba yung
Hindi siya marunong.
Ha?
Yeah.
At kaya niya yan
Okay.
na. Naninibago lang.
Sige.
Ganyan, hindi ba ganyan yan? O
Ganyan lang yan. Ganyan lang yan.
talaga siya?
There you go.
Ay, i-move mo yung ano mo.
There you go.
Yeah. Ganyan.
What did this? You're not even scared.
Ano itong ibababa ba to?
Good job. You got it.
Oo.
Okay na lang natin.
Good job.
What box? What is box?
Pressure.
Perfect.
Pressure.
How do you feel, Im?
No good. What is wrong as at the waiters?
Warning.
Bo.
Im, we're the pushers today, bro. We're the pushers. Elevator. Perfect. Im, what are we today, Im? The pushers. Okay, put down. Press down.
Down here?
Yeah. Nice. And then when they got stuck in the elevator, the girl tried to get out. But then when she was trying to get out, this elevator suddenly moved and she got squashed like a pumpkin.
Man.
Oh my god, it's Gabby.
May buy one?
It's Lyle.
Oh wow.
Wow. Hi. Ready to go swimming, guys? Oh my hair. Gabi, what do you want to eat today?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, anywhere, anytime.
Yes.
What?
One, step. And that, unfortunately.
Nice hat in. Nice hat, bro.
Ang mga doon guys. Ito.
Ready? Set.
Wait. Come short now. Cool, you got this.
I don't know.
I solved it all myself.
Without using an app.
Yeah.